Miadum bibia eboko.
Did this all new producers in Tifo
nyina ye ho ye no pay ntebo ni bia de ate ane ka ho nsem ya problem man. But before say be back card ye no so no. Mame mo wabaso so na unua
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Mame mo no so baso no. Microphone say won onya yi nanka wonsua oyi
Francis
am so wonsua oyi aya na mo no hwehwe ya kakra na mo eye ezo ndi ye de ja no krende na ja de ato na wo masem ne say den ja me bom abaso ye and say really concern about insecurity within the area. Enra me fa
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Shia police form petrol car no na ewrem ne ade. And apart from that, you can so na mo tu information nya ne say omachi police force. You police force about overall. I mean, and the MC ne the music. Oma make some arrest. A clear say Oma make statement. Nti ye kan nyina bom ne abo abaso abo police abaso abo assembly no nyina nso abaso ya ka say yes I mean ye bambo ne bibia no mo hwe de amaye ye da mase nti de nti na ma me di free ho kire ho na ba de ba
Akoma FM
so jo me fa insira kese ma yura ani na nanoma tankonya nyina na ya chia mi akasa me MP honorable Patricia PJ and Deputy Minority Leader in Parliament. MC na honorable Assembly members was Santimantemo and attitude the presiding members. So ye momachi. Na Ahinsan Estate Electoral Area for so ye chairman anopay. Na mama unique so a chair.
Okay.
Ye born abaso. In fact, Yankopon Kano. And ya debia o ye bia. I said, John. Somehow they can hear boss here na me fa sa konye na mabo eye music eye mi akasa mi chief executive or no answer na sa eye chairman for music.
Yeah.
In fact same way course no na Ahinsan Estate enye honko Ahinsan Etremu municipality nyina na baabi wo ho na eho a very hot spot sa na e beka no. In fact na mo matu no ene Asokwa Police Command do baby cry na was military no cry no almost ye hwe na almost bem no almost ba beboa na so police for no a kire se komo edoso a no kwasem ne se adwuma no ko betimi ayi ama na bro so cry sense omo no so nti do baby also omo free reinforcement if you baby ba no almost ba be ka ho na adwuma di na omo di no omo timi adi amaye nshira nka omo adwuma bi a omo ye bia no Yankopon nka omo. Because Sir John, some man cost in Science State Electoral Area. And I say, make us a Asokwa Municipality, no, if I crown bono. Now, you're doing one near Tiasia. A one not sorry, a one not to form. Now, Crawford, no, me a very strategic in the sense, say, almost any bomb one, no macote. It's a call from now, no massabam. Omo bombs or more different strategy and a deba, and approach and a deba. But it's Rankanyame. So I rest on my yeno. Say,
oh no, this is
yes,
very,
I'm telling you. Now security matters in Buana and Yaka no atum kakra. San say your fan is an anatem so among mutrimu ayo mode. But among kan who say enquire chrono de a system ni more. Yet me writing off. Or say am I need daho. Na mebunu na won so one in state electoral area no so e bia sheda ba me ho. Me nya kra nipa be 15. Aba me was said this time around almost so eba. Na almost abeboa police for adwuma na omo ye no ama ma frɛ Asokwa Police Command even an pay crime so me ne chairman for music honorable Kamel MC so be kwa kotena se e wo omo ho na ye hu kwan pa ye de omo befa so omo fa omo fingerprints ne enema bi a omo ne omo bedi na omo timi di aboa police for no ni abo ban e wa Ahinsan Estate Electoral Area ho. Aside that omo bo ban no o say ya temufo so ye support omo also ye boa omo also ye motivate omo ye nya omo saa san se omo akasa tu omo asi wo de a adenti na yeso so de also ye ya ye bia obi obaka say dey na me nyeye ebi motorbikes ebi motorollers e de boa e kwa na asa be si bia esi no ba minim say nhihye pa music ni Asokwa police and as a music as a committee no omodi egu akwam no minim say ebe kakra municipality no de ubewura electoral area bia mu no ubehu volunteers ni bi wo ha omo adwuma e de aboa yi inhira nka ho no kwasem say sese ye da etimi da kakra ko say adru anwumra ye na o ahomachi ni enyane ho 4:30 na nkrofo ya start omo operations but police for no so omo so backgrounds visibility no ene omo keka ho ni nyina no kwasem ye mo mabaso omo ya ade papa yakopon onhire omo ene dwumadi omo agi enso sela ye ni tete ho ye na to say ye hu say ye nkrofo so a ye sum omo no omo so atimi enya asumdwe san say banbo de uni banbo a nyama ekura wo nyina ye kwa emmoa wo ma wadwumadi a wudi no entimi nkọ nanim